Have you ever pictured yourself on Canada's front line protecting our borders? Well, if you're serious about a career with the Canada Border Services Agency, you are in exactly the right place. We're about to walk you through every single step to becoming a Border Services Officer.
But, before we dive into how to apply, it's really important to understand what this job is all about. This is so much more than a job. It's really a mission to protect Canada and uphold its laws at our busiest ports of entry. As a federal law enforcement professional, you're literally the first line of defense at our airports, our land crossings, and our marine ports. Every single day, you'd be making decisions that have a direct impact on our nation's security and, of course, the safety of our communities. So you think you're up for the challenge? That's great. Let's talk about the basic requirements. These are the absolute non-negotiables that every single applicant has to have squared away before even thinking about applying.
All right, here's your checklist, and trust me, each item is there for a very good reason. You've got to be a Canadian citizen, at least 18 years old, with a valid driver's license and a high school diploma. But it doesn't stop there. You also have to prove you're physically ready for the job, get a high-level security clearance, and of course, have a clean criminal record. This isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about showing your integrity right from the very start.
If you've got all that covered, then congratulations, you're ready to start the real journey. Now, the application process is pretty thorough, but we're going to break it all down so you know exactly what to expect at every turn. It all kicks off on the GC Jobs website. After you apply, you'll have to take the Officer Trainee Entrance Exam, which tests your judgment and communication skills. Then, there's a behavioral interview, followed by that physical test we mentioned. If you clear all those hurdles, get ready for a really deep security and background check. Yeah, it's a tough process, but it all leads to that one moment you're waiting for. The official job offer.
But that job offer, that's not the finish line. Think of it as your ticket to the final and most intensive phase of your transformation, training at the CBSA College, where you really go from being a recruit to becoming an officer.
Every successful recruit heads to the CBSA College in Rigaud, Quebec for the Officer Induction Training Program. And make no mistake, this is a serious commitment. You're looking at a pretty demanding 17 to 18-week residential course that will test you both mentally and physically. Okay, so you're probably wondering about the practical stuff, like how long does all this take and what are the rewards for actually making it through? This is where you're going to need some patience. From the moment you hit submit on your application to getting that job offer, the whole process can take anywhere from 6 to 18 months. It's a long road, but it's designed that way to make sure only the best candidates make it to the front line. And what's the reward for all that hard work and patience? A starting salary for an entry-level border services officer between $67,000 and $76,000 a year. And remember, that's before any overtime. It's a really solid foundation for a long and rewarding career. Now here's why this is such an exciting time to be thinking about this career. There is a massive hiring push happening right now, which is creating an unprecedented opportunity for new applicants. The Canadian government has committed to hiring 1,000 new border services officers. Let that sink in for a second. 1,000. This isn't just a trickle. It's a flood of opportunity for qualified candidates who are ready to step up.
So the big question is, why now? What's driving this incredible demand for new officers?
Well, the answer really lies in a critical shortage. The union that represents the officers estimates there's a current shortfall of about 2,000 officers nationwide. This isn't just about filling a few empty spots, it's about rebuilding the front line. Becoming a CBSA officer is a challenging path. There's absolutely no doubt about it. But for the right person, it's an incredibly rewarding career, and the need for dedicated individuals has never been greater. If you believe you have what it takes to protect our borders, now is the time to act. Head to Jobs.gc.ca, find the open positions, and take that first step on your journey.